Exposing the heart-pounding action in F1. Get ready to witness the most epic overtakes ever. Coming in at number 5, we have Lewis Hamilton's legendary move at Silverstone 2022, cutting inside on the final lap. Absolute brilliance. At number 4, it's Max Verstappen in Monaco 2021, threading the needle through a narrow gap. Pure skill. Number 3 is Sebastian Vettel's daring overtake in Abu Dhabi 2019, from P5 to P1 in a single lap. Goosebumps, anyone? And number 2, Charles Leclerc at the Austrian Grand Prix 2020. An audacious pass on the outside. No fear, just speed. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to Ayrton Senna in Donington 1993-ish. 5 cars in 1 lap. The stuff of legends, there you have it. The top 5 most insane F1 overtakes ever. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments.